Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls center. Now scroll down through the menu and find the airplane mode icon. And here we have it. It looks like the airplane. And to enable the airplane mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message airplane mode on, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. You can then press the side button again to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you will also see the icon at the top, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, press the side button to open the controls center, scroll down, find the airplane mode icon, and tap on it. You will see the message airplane mode off, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.